When it comes to hosting your website, security is everything. Today, we're comparing two popular hosting providers, Scala Hosting and WP Engine. So, which one offers better security? Let's dive into the details, and by the end of this video, I'll help you decide which one's best for your website. First, let's look at the security features both platforms offer. Scala Hosting's approach to security is pretty comprehensive. They provide free SSL certificates, daily backups, and a robust firewall. But what sets Scala apart is their S-Shield security system. This tool offers proactive protection against malware, ransomware, and bot attacks. Scala Hosting claims it can even block threats in real time, making it a strong contender in the security department. However, there's a catch. It's only available on their higher tier plans, so it might not be available to all users right out of the gate. Next, WP Engine also has a strong security stance. They offer things like free SSL certificates, daily backups, and automatic updates for WordPress, which can help keep your website secure. Their security system is also built around monitoring and blocking malicious activity in real time, but they go a step further with automated threat detection and proactive security measures. WP Engine offers security features that include malware scanning, automated patches for WordPress vulnerabilities, and their built-in firewall. But while these measures are solid, the focus is mostly on WordPress-specific security, which may or may not suit your needs if you're running another type of website. The third thing to consider is their support for securing your site during high-traffic periods. Scala Hosting offers a great solution with their cloud hosting plans, which automatically scale up resources to meet traffic demands while maintaining secure access to your website. WP Engine also has similar functionality through its scalable architecture, but their resources can get pricey if you need to go beyond the basics. This can be a deal breaker if you have a fast-growing site or expect high spikes in traffic. Now, one important factor is uptime reliability. Both platforms offer solid uptime guarantees, but WP Engine edges out Scala here with a 99.99% uptime guarantee. Scala Hosting, on the other hand, offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is a little lower. That means while both are reliable, WP Engine provides a slightly stronger assurance on availability. If uptime is a critical part of your website's security, this could be a deciding factor for you. Moving on, let's talk about the control you have over your site's security. Scala Hosting gives users full access to their server with the option of adding custom security configurations. This is great if you're a more advanced user who wants to tailor your security settings. WP Engine, however, has more restrictions on server-level customizations. They manage your WordPress site's security for you, but if you're someone who likes full control, you might feel limited here. Another factor to consider is the cost of security features. Scala Hosting is generally cheaper than WP Engine, and for the price, you get decent security features, especially with the S-Shield system included in their higher tier plans. WP Engine, while offering premium security, tends to charge more for the same level of service, especially when you factor in the advanced security measures they provide. At this point, you might be wondering, which one should you choose? Both have solid security, but with Scala Hosting, you're getting more bang for your buck, especially if you're okay with using a more DIY approach to your site's security. WP Engine, however, is a great choice if you're running a WordPress site and prefer a hands-off, managed solution with excellent uptime. But here's the thing, while both Scala Hosting and WP Engine offer solid options, I've personally tried all of these services, and if you want the best security, reliability, and performance, I'd recommend checking out a better alternative. If you want to try something that offers an even more comprehensive security suite, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, in the end, whether it's Scala Hosting or WP Engine, both platforms have their strengths. But if you're looking for better overall security and peace of mind, the solution in the description is the one to go for.